Hello, 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 chatter, hello, chatter, hello, chatter. Chatter, chatter, chatter. I think we got a CRT up in it, babe. Yeah, I think we got a CRT. I think we got a CRT on it, man. All right, chat. I think we got a CRT up in it, babe. What's good, everybody? Today we're here to take a gamble today on Eurusd. So, chat, our key level for the hourly time frame is this is our hourly key level for this hourly, CRT. So our 7 a.m. is our CRT. Our hourly key level is hourly order block that first out liquidity. And we must tap the OTE. There is an OTE here, and the OTE must get tapped, or else I'm not taking a trade. But it's definitely get tapped because right above the 0.50% mark, so it's highly to get tapped. But I will not. I'll be looking for a double purge here. So I'm looking for how to get purged, make a new legit high, go down, push out that high, go lower. So I'm looking for expansion, retracement. Expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. So expansion, retracement, got legit high, another expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. Shit like that. Yo, bro, what's good, brother? Are you looking for sell or buy? I'm looking for a selly. Seller. That is what I'm looking for. Z, that's what I'm looking for. Avery might be presented soon enough. What is this guy talking about? Talking about what Benny talking about? What is Benny yapping about? What are you yapping about, bro? Alright, let's chat. Let's lock in. Let's see if we can get a press back up here. Yeah, let's go, bro. So what were we saying? We're saying that we're looking for short seat. That's what we're saying. So you were talking about my boy said once again hard to analysis. I got you, man. Let me give you guys a full analysis here, right? We have a weekly ERL to IRL. We have a weekly SMT CRT to the downside as well. SMT could be false, but it's working here, right? As well, we have that's the weekly center. That's literally it, right? On the daily, we have a expansion daily range. Market swooped out a low, swooped out a high, stable low, stable high. Market tap discounted daily range, eventually up higher. So from here to slow to this high is an expansion daily range, right? As well, we want a 7 premium buying discount, and the premium daily got tapped, so we're going to range low, which is the weekly CRT low. As well, we have a daily ERL to IRL to the discounted IRL. Why do we not care about this IRL over here? There's two reasons why we don't care about this IRL. This IRL over here has two reasons why we don't care about it. Reason number one, this IRL is inside the daily CRT, because if daily CRT low gets met, it's going to get disrespected, as well as this daily fair value gap is in the PM region. So you don't want to buy in the PM, you don't want to buy discount, right? So we have a daily ERL to discounted IRL. This fair value gap, we do not care about it. We as well have a daily SMT CRT to the downside, as well as classic expansion profile to the downside. The Monday highs are protected as well with the SMT right over here. In the lower time frame, market to the low, to the high, stable low. Let's discount this premium. Market tap premium leading range, good leading range low. as well. When PMC want to sells, even if I was looking for a long here, I would not buy at all because we're in a premium region, right? As well, we have a the same CRT as last day, right? We still using the same CRT as yesterday. CRT I got pretty good CRT low, as well as my draw on liquidity will be the the hourly CRT low will be my draw on liquidity, but my take profit will be the I'm saying this low, right? TP1, TP2, and last and final take profit will be all the way down here, right? So yeah, I'll use it as a draw on liquidity, but not a take profit because we have a 4-hour CRT here as well already. So as well, what else do we have here? We have a New York continuation. We first had a New York reversal profile 2 and profile 1, one accumulation 5 and expansion. The drawn like already got met, so looking for a New York continuation here. And the reason why the market went up higher back, I'm saying push out the this 21 o'clock high again because it's a key level, right? So we had a key level to the downside. Now looking to short it down here one more time, as well as with a hourly CRT. We're looking for a near continuation. We had another SMT, so this 4-hour high is protected, right? So that's what we have, and that's what I'm looking for a short here. We have a bullish auto flow, but that's literally enough for us to take a short entry here, right? So now we go to a lower time from the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame right over here is our CRT, and as well we have an OTE here. How do we have an OTE here? Because you can see the previous session CRT I got soup, non CRT low, right? So we have a OTE here, right? How do you know there's an OTE? Is by using the previous session. For a new continuation, there usually will be an OTE. How do you think it can be OTE? If the previous session uses CRT. In this case, the previous session uses CRT, which was, what I'm saying, right over here. And market made a high, low, higher high, lower low. So from this high to this low is OTE. So we must tap the 0.50% of the OTE, or else I will not be looking for a trade. Because people are waiting to short around here. They're gonna short too early. Eventually you get stopped down, go up higher, right? Eventually down, go lower, right? I told you guys the example of that as well before. That's what I'm looking at, and that's what I'm looking to short. I'm looking to short out of this CRT. Let's go, bro. What we saying? My cookout in disco. Why do we get cooked? Been getting been getting break even. Hopefully no losses. Yeah, that's good. That's good, man. Hopefully you didn't have no losses. But bro, the problem I see with you is just you constantly you sell low, you buy high, bro. That's what all I see with you, bro. And you told me that how you told me something about it, right? You told me you told me something about that, right? You said need to see. Wait, you said something. You said something about what I said because the high had no idea the price wanted to go down. Well, at the high right over here, there was there was the market did want to go down because there was a for a 15-minute model one they could have took a short out of, right? Could have still made profit out of that shorting position, right? So yeah, you can see how the market went back up, went back down lower. You were right, but you just did not know the right time to take you because you do not want to sell any shorting around here. What I'm saying? You want to wait until the pullback and short because you're shorting way too low, bro. You want to sell high, buy low. You're selling low, you're buying high, buddy. You're the opposite of what it's supposed to be doing, brother. You're doing the opposites. You're doing the opposites. Oh, come on, bro. Bro's out the fucking high first, bro. I did not come to live stream just to see the market do this shit to me. I did not. In every trade, I was folding 1 hour. Fuck made me think start to take only 1 hour. Damn, bro. 1 hour is nothing, bro. 1 hour, bro. What the fuck? 1 hour is like baby pips, bro. You're gonna have to talk about like 5 hour, 20 hour, 15 hour, 10 hour, shit like that, man. 1 hour, bro. Baby setups, baby steps. Hell yeah, man. all my trades, like remember when even that losing trade that we had, we were up what 4 RR, 3 RR, we were floating 4.5 RR on one of them, and the boss was wrong, right? So that wasn't a loss, but we're floating 4 to 5 RRs, man, not baby shit, man. We were not floating baby shit. We were floating big racks, big racks. We were floating big racks. Just to lose the racks. We're floating big racks, racks, racks. 100. Think about it. Shout out to your hunter. Alright, that was too much, bro. But I'm looking for a pullback. Then I'm looking to show that motherfucker. Benny been only stacking knowledge, no bread. Holy, that's funny as hell, bro. Hey, you made my day with that joke, bro. Benny been only stacking knowledge, no bread. I love it, man. Hey, we're gonna stack some bread soon. Hopefully, if we get the right entry. If we go in profits today. If we get entry today. If we don't, then it is what it is. Chat. Let's see if we're gonna have the purge. Come on. I know you wanna purge it out. I wanna get some. I wanna let's get it out. It looks good though, chat. We have SMT left and right. SMT here, everywhere. Wait, what? We got a hey chat. We have a SMT divergence with a 7 a.m. high. What the fuck? What? What? I can't take it still. I can't take it because of OTE. What up? So, yeah, chat. Bro, passion, what a biggie. Big shot, bro. What was on? Chat. Where are you from? I'm from Earth, man. Where you think I'm from, man? That was your mom, bro? Yes, sirski. She said, calm down, man. Early in the morning, bro. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. You doing all this. I'm like, mom, you gotta wake up, man. It's not early in the morning, man. I woke up 5 hours ago. So if I woke up 5 hours ago, it's not early, man. It's late. She's getting mad at me. She's like, you gotta calm down your voice. I'm like, all right, pops. All right, mom. All right, mommy. Oh, no way we don't get an entry here, bro. No way we don't get an entry. No way we don't get an entry. No, don't do this. Oh, we do have SMT. I forgot, chat. What the fuck? What the fuck? SMT. But we can't even take an SMT trade because as you guys know, chat, we only care about SMT that with the CRT, right? That's all we care about. 7 a.m., 7 a.m., right? This see we have SMT that versus with a correlated pair. We do not have the SMT with the. This is the low, right? This is gonna go higher. It's gonna go lower. So I just do the low here. We don't have SMT with the low. We just have SMT with GU, man. Come on, GU. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, I can't even take the SMT trade either way because of the wrong model one. But I can't take it, as you guys know, man, because we need to have the OTE retracement. For how long have you been trading, bro? Man, why you guys keep asking the same question for how long have you been trading, man? This is some bullshit question, man. I've been trading since I was born, buddy. That's how long. Like, Chad, you gotta keep in mind, no matter how long you trade for, if you don't have the right technical analysis, those how long, I mean, shit. No matter how long you trade for, if you do not have the right technical analysis, does not matter how long you trade for that shit is not gonna work for you, buddy. Trade it out of the womb for real, brother. You know. But yeah, man, let's you guys know, man. Doesn't matter how long you guys been trading for. If you guys don't have the right technical analysis, doesn't matter if you trade for 10 years. That 10 years is wasted, brother. What model of CRT do you trade, bro? I trade the butterfly effect model, brother. I risk the lower time frame and I target the higher time frame draw on liquidity, which is the higher time frame CRT. So I risk a 5-minute hourly CRT and target the 4-hour technical analysis paralysis, the daily analysis paralysis take profit, the weekly analysis paralysis take profit. It wouldn't probably not go down there, but guess what? We're delusional, so we're gonna go down there, bro. You know what I mean? Cyclical analysis paralysis is Sursky. Boy knows that we have that problem, bro. Bro, no way, bro. We got another SMT here, bro. Fuck, man. Fuck, man. I need a OT retracement. I need a OT retracement. Holy shit, my ears. I need the OTE retracement. We got SMT everywhere, man. For real, bro. For real. Hey, that's good though. Hey, SMT, left and right. We got SMT. This here, with every high, we got SMT, bro. What's wrong with this market, bro? For everything I've seen in CIC, I find your channel. Congrats, bro. Hell yeah, man. You know. Hey, tight shit. Hey, cause my name, nobody else got my name, right? Feel me? That's why I'm unique type shit. Cause if somebody else got my name, you could get my viewers, bro. So like, I don't need people. I need people to come to me type shit. But chat, if you guys want to learn CRT from the scratch off, I got my ETU free Mastermind CRT bootcamp, bro. I got a whole bootcamp. You guys can learn CRT from, how to trade CRT and how to use specific ecosystem of CRT concepts that CRT needs to actually work with, like candle profiles, order flow, candle ranges, high FM, drone looking and shit like that. All of that shit, you know what I'm saying? You can go check out my ETU free Mastermind CRT bootcamp. I think no one is trading CRT live. Yes, hey, we trading CRT live. Hey, we give you guys a 15.5 hour signal, 8.5 hour signal, another 8.5 hour signal. Just notice you like that. We'll like that. Hey, you guys, a lot of people guys do that. But a lot of people don't go live because they're scared. They're scared to fail. But guess what, chat? We're not scared to fail. I mean, we're men, brother. That's what we do. But chat, I can't take this trade, man. We have SMT, CRT to the downside, bro. Every time, bro. Every fucking second SMT, bro. What's wrong with this shit, man? Why don't I take the CRT and GPUSD? I do not trade GPUSD. I like to trade Eurusd alone. You guys, if people who are around here will know why I do that. You know what I'm saying? So if those who are kind of smart will know why I do that, you know what I'm saying? But Chad, the SMT CRT did offer the setup, but the setup did not give us the right setup here. Give us the Monroe 1, which is the body. Only time we take the body if it's a consecutive candle. In this case, it's only one. So we cannot take it into the full candle closure range. But even if you take a short here, you're taking a stop loss here. You're going for a huge amount of R here. It's just to take profit here, right? 3.3 R. Hey, we back, chat. We back. I just lagged a little. Just a little. Just a little. Lags, yes sirski, man. Today Wi-Fi kind of tweaking, man. The weather is gay today, bro. Weather, man. Can you tell me the butterfly effect model? I already told you that it's just you just fix the lower time from CRT, like just the hourly or the 4-hour time frame, and you target the daily CRT, the weekly CRT. But it's very advanced, bro. Those who trade this, if you're like not, you know, if you're like if you don't know how to treat, if you don't know how to do the chart like professionally, like efficiently, you're gonna fuck up bad. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It's called butterfly effect model for a reason. Because that trade's gonna take a long time. The trade's gonna take like at least a week or a couple of days to take profit, right? So if it takes a couple of days to take profit, and you have the psychology problem, you don't have the right, efficient take profit. So the more you could be up like what 8 RR. The market could fully reverse against you, right? Because you have the wrong technical analysis, right? So if you're not advanced, it's not for you, man. It's gonna fuck your ass. It's gonna cook your ass, chat. It's going to cook you, buddy. It's going to cook your booty. Bro, can seriously start working anytime? Bro, what do people think like that, bro? Like, man, y'all thinking is crazy, bro. I mean, even ICT, people said ICT stopped working, bro. There's always gonna be pattern traders. There's always going to be pattern traders, chat. CRT, ICT has not stopped working, bro. It's still working till this day because of, it works because the only way it doesn't work is because people are pattern traded, right? Anything works, supply demand works, everything works, right? It's just that those concepts, just the efficiency of you reading the market is different, right? No, reading the market with CRT is much better than reading the market in supply and demand, right? So it's much better because CRT requires SMT or SUPs, right? While its supply and demand doesn't. So you're basically are going to the way you read the market is way more difficult to write. So with CRT, makes it easier, but everything can be pattern traded, right? You can trade pattern trade, you can pattern trade CRT and fail, and everything could be that. ICT has never failed. The concept of ICT never failed. It's just that people pattern trade it. So this concept will never stop working, bro. Chat, listen, my boy Nessie. I have given this signal from what? Oh shit, wrong time frame. I have given this signal what? I have given literally this signal right over here. I gave the signal from the 12-month CRT low to the 12-month CRT high. Just go check my market forecast. I gave a signal from all down here to here, and guess what? It worked out, right? I gave you a before and after as well. I gave you guys literally 6 months ago. I was like, yo, this month they said they're gonna get creative. We're probably gonna project CRT low, go to CRT high, right? And guess what? The market went to the CRT low, project the CRT low, and went to the CRT high. Holy shit! You know what I'm saying? Simple as that. 6 month time frame as well. CRT low got pushed. We're going to go to the CRT highs very soon, right? 3 months as well. CRT low got pushed, CRT high. All of our drone got met, right? The daily range on liquidity got met right over here. The daily range high got met, right? So our accuracy has been a 90%, buddy. That's what I like. Back test, I shit, and forward test, I'm better in CRT because back testing, you wouldn't know the narrative. You're too lazy to see the narrative, the context there, right? So you just pattern trade it, and you just pattern trade it in a back testing, right? But in forward testing, you're looking for narratives, for context, right? And back testing, you don't because you're more lazier, right? Just psychology thing, man. Oh, come on, bro. What the fuck is the market doing here today, bro? Oh, man. So another day, another no trading day. The best channel ever, man. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. And with proof. Hey, I'm not those traders who, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Type shit. I'm not those traders who do hand sights. I don't give signals that already happened. You know what I'm saying? That doesn't make sense. I be giving you guys signals that are insane, but the trades take insane amount of time. But chat, if you guys are trying to learn CRT, make sure you guys check my bootcamp, free bootcamp, and all the credit goes to me, nobody else but me. So all the credit you guys learn from it, you know where it goes to. As you guys know, like in life, you guys must always take the credit. If somebody else does the work for you, shit, still take the credit from him. Fuck it, fuck him, he doesn't deserve that shit. That's what I learned, bro. I will do that. You know what I'm saying? That guy, you know what I'm saying? I'll do the work for him. He'll get the credit from me. I'm like, what the fuck? I was like, oh, okay, I understand how you try. I have to learn it hard. And which time frame you trade CRT, bro? 4-hour time for CRT. When I execute the trade, execution. What do you mean by execution? Do you mean execution or what? I don't know what you mean. Do you mean analysis paralysis or execution? I don't know what you mean, bro. I don't know what you mean, brother. They mean the What do you mean, bro? That's what I'm trying to find out. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Come on, bro. Go up higher, please. Yeah, buddy. That's gonna be a good day. Oh, do you trade 1 hour CRT? Oh, no. I trade 4 hour CRT, 1 hour CRT for execution. You keep in mind, there's execution and take profit are two different things, right? I could execute out of the hour CRT, but I could target the higher type. This is the higher type of CRT, right? Like, so let's just say, you know, I execute this out of this hour CRT, but I'm gonna target. Now, you know, in this case today, I wouldn't target, you know, the hour CRT low, but I'll target these low because, you know, we're in the 4 hour range. Since any time frame below the daily time frame, they can be used as my take profit, right? So we have a 4 hour CRT. We're looking for a 4 hour range, right? So 4 range high got pretty good down range low. So there's just our 4 hour range. We're gonna use this smaller range as a execution, but we're gonna use this bigger range as a take profit. But guess what? This is still our range because in the 4 hour time frame, when we're executing, we're looking for executions, right? We're looking for executions on the 4 hour time frame, right? Looking for a 4 hour range to execute our trade, or we're looking for an hourly range. In this case, we have a 4 hour range that we can execute the trade to the downside. But during around here, we didn't have an entry, but around here we did have. If we have an entry, we get executed, right? We think about 15 minute CRT, a low time for CRT within the higher time for CRT. That shit does not work. I know. I see some people even fucking make a model of that. What the fuck? That's weird. The 5 a.m. model does not say, or the 9 a.m. model does not say to have a low type CRT within the high type CRT. That's bullshit. That's why you guys fail so much. That's why you guys lose so much trades, man. Looking for the 15-minute CRT. You do not look for that, bro. There's no need. Because if you trade my model, if you trade not my model, the Romeo model, right? But he gave it out public. If you trade my model, you're gonna have, regardless of you entering the 1 minute, you're gonna have a higher RR, right? My trades go for 15 RR and above. Not 15 RR and above, I mean, for like 5 RR and above. Recent trade was a 15.5 RR, right? So yeah. But the reason that my most recent trade was a 3.2 and a 4.6. Which the 4.6 I missed, the 3.2 only made 1 RR because my dumbass went for the wrong take profit. That's why I said the butterfly model is kind of, you know what I'm saying, kind of difficult to trade. So you want to be smart with it. Price cooking, cooking early, sells hard. Thank God, man. Wait, that emoji, wait, that was that emoji called? Did you post it? Alright, that's not funny. Alright. I was trying to make some jokes. But chat, this is why I prioritize so much to you guys. Knowing when not to trade is way more important than knowing when to trade. So my rule says without having the right model 1, I'm not trading. So this is telling me when not to trade, right? So I'm not taking the trade until they give me the right model 1 and until it taps the Get me, chat? Sure, I think I have a resistance in viewers, bro. I think I have a resistance around like fucking 7 views. Every time we only get 7 views, bro. We need to get at least a billion views, dog. We need to get the whole Indian nation to watch us. That was not funny. You guys get it? Like how the Indian nation has like 1.5 billion people watching, you know, 1.5 billion. 1.4 billion Indians in the world. 1.4 billion Indians in the world. We need a nation to watch us, like nation of India. Baya baya. Chama kachalo. Ara. You stop being racist. But check, keep in mind, we face losses. I only have a 40% win rate. You're probably wondering, well, with a CRT, how the fuck do you have a 40% win rate? Hey, if you set a high standard, you're gonna get emotional, right? So if I think I have an 80% win rate, which I don't, right? In the future I will, but if I have a 40% win, and I don't, and I expect to win 80% of the time, and I lose more than 3 trades. Oh shit! I don't. People say I should be winning. You know what I'm saying? That should get emotional. Use your brain a little bit. I actually have a 10% win rate, chat. And niggas would believe that. And I would too. I'm a nigga. I'm a niggy. Alright, let's see if the market could give us a potential trade here, bro. My match is too racist, man. I gotta stop being racist. You gotta stop being racist, bro. I gotta stop being racist, bro. Alright, market fucking around here with us, man. Holy, you can't keep on doing this. I can't take it anymore. It went silence real quick, brother. Alright, Marcus doing some emotional roller coaster here, bro. Come on. Ah, this motherfucker, man. Son of a bitch. Fuck your mother, nigga. Fuck you. Not your mother, but yeah, fuck the market maker's mother, man. Market maker a Jew. I can't fuck with Jews, man. If you can't be the Jews, you gotta join the Jews, dog. Oh my goodness. Come on. I thought today's gonna be the day, but I guess not. I guess today is not the day. That was not the day today, man. I thought today was a day, bro. But no, we're gonna have to wait more patiently. Patient. Holy man, do I gotta call it? Do I gotta call it end today already, bro? Do I gotta go to the gym right now? I don't want to go to the gym right now. Do I gotta go to the gym right now? Oh, today I gotta hit. Oh yeah, today was just some pad work. Yeah, yeah, fun day, man. Fun day. All right. You're doing too much, Bryce. Kind of a shit. Yeah, it's probably gonna have a breakthrough over here, like a level break or some shit. Level break, level break. Can't do this no more, chat. I can't do it anymore, man. What the fuck, man? Let's see how the next cannon goes. The next cannon goes lower, bro. We done, bro. Fuck all that shit. We done what are they already? What about? They even started there. They even started there. But y'all, look at the analysis paralysis. Look beautiful, don't it? Oh, come on, man. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Fucking retarded fucking price action. Alright, I guess not, I guess not. I guess you're just gonna fucking leave me again. I guess I'll use this price action then. Fucking bomba clot. Let's see if we can have SMT with this high now, bro. Come on. We currently do not have any OTE, so we could instantly look for a trade. But once we go this low, we're done. Oh, come on, man. Don't do this shit with me here. What are you doing? Check, keep in mind, we did have an entry right over here, but that entry did not have the right model one. But can there be an OT with the SMT? What? So if he does go around here, we're selling above the opening price. So let's see if we can get that entry here. But my boy Trader has the most Indianist accent ever. We got SMT everywhere, man. Is the way we type the words down. The most Indianist person I've ever met. We got SMT everywhere, bro. Wait, we got SMT everywhere, man. Everywhere. You gonna see how Indians say their where differently, right? It's supposed to say WHERE. Say with WERE. What? When I was in India, bro, they talk so differently. They say what? What are you talking about? What? Where is the drone liquidity? Very. My boy laughed. My boy Indian Benny Sachs says I'm eating two blood. Holy shit, for real? You don't sound like one. Are you one? Oh, you are disguised. You're immigrated Indian, bro. Fuck you too, guys. You Indian, smelly, stinky. Alright. I'm being too disrespectful. I'm sorry. But but my boy traded us. That's my boy. My boy traded us. My boy traded us not even hide that he has an Indian accent. He literally when he types it down, he has an Indian accent, bro. Maybe with a typing. What are you talking about? But yes, chat. Even like when you type, you could like literally sometimes you could like Without knowing their voice, you can know that, okay, this sound like an Indian motherfucker. Even when they're from the typing. Holy shit. Oh shit. Back. Bro, I got my ass beat so hard. The doctor said you have a hole in your ear. I'm like, whoa, what the fuck? Because there's a hole that's holding her, so he punched it so hard that shit went inside. I was like, yo. Bro, I do not know how that punch did not knock me out. It hit me straight clean. I ate that bit. I was like, does. I was like, all right, let's keep on going. You know what I'm saying? I ate it. I saw, I fought, I still fought, right? To the end of the fight. And damn, bro. I checked the doctor. He was bleeding and it was literally over in my ear, right? The hole was open. Like, yo. Because when I was drinking water, right? The water was coming out of my ear. That was nasty. It's nasty, but chat is crazy, bro. Like, I do not know how I did not get knocked out from that punch. I fought him. I made him quit from fighting. This is quick fighting. He quit fighting because I'm saying he got a little tired. I tight shit. I was like, hey, you have to kill me, you have to kill my ass, man. I ain't quitting. You know what I'm saying? Sigma head ass. It was crazy though, bro. Hey, all I know, I didn't quit. All I know, he quit. All I know, I went and I got hit so fucking hard in the ear. My ear started bleeding. They said literally you got a hole open in your ear. I'm like, yo, what you talking about, man? Let me see that. Let me hear me that. This, I was like, shit, what the fuck? Bro, in chat, I won, bro. I made him quit with a 16-ounce gloves. I was wearing a 16-ounce glove. He was wearing a 10-ounce glove. That's why my ear hurted. I was like, bro, I'm hitting this guy alrightly hard, right? But this guy's hitting me harder, right? He still didn't knock me out, right? But with a 10-ounce glove, I fought him with a 16-ounce gloves, and he quit because he got tired. I was like, bro, what are you talking about? I fought with I fought with a big ass gloves, and you're gonna quit on me like that? That's crazy, bro. I fought with what? I fought with a fucking 16-ounce glove. He fought with a 10-ounce. Like, I'm like, bro, what are you quitting for, bro? I'm not supposed to be quitting. My arm, I can't even feel my arm. I can't even feel my back because that shit had like that 16-ounce glove feel like a whole pound. It's like you're lifting a whole pound, and I'm getting rushed throughout the whole fight. If I'm getting rushed throughout the whole fight, because he was lighter, right? So he could rush me throughout the whole fight. So if he have his lighter glove, he can move better, right? He can move better. So me, I have to set up because when I'm getting hit, right? It's like I'm holding a 1-ounce glove. My back was constantly hurting from that shit too. I was like, are you tweaking? You know what I'm saying? Something is open here, bro. Oh, something was just cold as hell, okay? Turn that shit up. Bro, no way. It's cold as hell, bro. I hate this bitch, bro. Bro, it's summer around here and it's still cold, bro. I hate being around lakes. I hate lakes, man. I hate that shit. Shit is cold as hell on here, man. Unbelievably different. The weather is uncontrollably weird. One day is very cold. One day is very hot. Other day is very warm. Other day is very clean and very, very relaxing. But other day is very cold again. I'm like, what the fuck, man? Both of you outside, a cold ass breeze coming in, cuz that's what's outside. Shit is so cold, it's coming through my shit, bro. It's coming through my window. Send in the addy. Let me see the lake you close to. Bro, I actually when I go outside next time, I'll send you guys, chat. I'll send you guys. But I barely go outside over there, bro. It's cold as shit in the lake, bro. But yeah, let me see if I get the picture of it. I don't know. I don't want to expose my spot, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Look at the images. Not here. This is the park that we are currently near, right? We live near this park. Not this park, I mean, like this lake or some shit like that. Right over here, bro. This lake is crazy, bro. I sent you to go to the Discord chat. If you go to the Discord, I'll send it to over there. Like, shit over there is cold, chat, with a breeze ass, cold ass wind at the winter time, especially. But bro, chat, around those, you see those neighborhoods around there, it's crazy. It's nice. Jews, bro. Jews own that bitches, bro. Crazy. $4.5 million house. Crazy, bro. Rich ass house over there too, bro. Every house around that lake is ultra rich. Not ultra rich, but like, you know what I'm saying, you could probably say mansions. You in a Democrat state? Nah, we're in the what do you call it? The Republican won state. Michigan won the state over here. I mean, the Republicans. Trump won the state. So, yo, what's up, guys? What's good, my boy Yogi? What's good? What's good? What's good? But this state is more of a religious state here, because there's more Muslims around here, right? There's more Muslims and more Republicans. Oh, let's see if we can get another SMT here, potentially. Potentially. Looking for such an EU? Hell yeah. That's what I'm looking for. Looking for Alice here, T Purge or SMT. Okay, so that city have got a legit high here as well. Okay, fantastic. Come on, alright? Can you go up higher, bro? Come on, you fucking fat tart. Son of a bitch. Can't do this shit. Holy shit. Bro, after all that, just for the shit just to come all the way back down. Doing nothing. I'm gonna bust a nut all over my screen. Make it sick and wanna see. What am I doing, bro? Holy. Oh. Alright, Bubba. Alright. Alright, mama. Mama? Rifle. I'll knock your ass out still, nigga. Fuck up. only. They're gonna be a setup or they'll not be a setup. nigga had like, you know what I'm saying, like Shalom Shemaev, Ilya Topuria, Alexander Topuria, and still managed to lose. What the fuck is wrong with that nigga, bro? How the fuck can you lose from that shit? You got the best, one of the best fighters in the world, and you still get your ass beat. What? Nigga, that's disgrace to me. And them are really practicing how to get away from the successful rule. Chica, triva, la puta, triva. Oh, we're done for the day. We're done for the day. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Fuck me, fuck you, dude. Oh, fuck you, fuck. Go push out the low, bro. Come on, man. Do your top down, and that's just one more time. Just go back on my live stream, or actually, I got you, man. No worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. We have a weekly ERL to IRL, weekly SMT, CRT to the downside. So that's why our drone could be down here. We have a daily ERL to discounted IRL. Why do we not get this IRL? There's two reasons. First of all, is in this daily CRT. Second of all, is in the premium region. So we avoid that and go with this. We as well have a daily SMT CRT to the downside. We as well have an expansion swing, premium discount, premium want to sell, discount want to buy. At the premium, the daily range, go down daily range low, which is the weekly CRT low. CC all connect. 4 hour daily range, low, high, soup, stable, low, stable, high, discount, premium. Premium, discount. Premium of the daily range got tapped, so down go daily range low. Premium of the daily range got tapped, so if you want to sell, then you want to go to the premium. Damn, bro. Then you want to go down to the daily range low. As well, we have a 4-hour CRT low. We as well have a SMT stack left and right. We are looking for a near continuation. If I'm bearish, I would need the London to make the high of the day, not the low of the day. Just London make the high of the day, and we have SMT right over here. As well, what else do we have here? We have a 4-hour CRT to the downside. And since today, market didn't offer us no trades, I feel like there should be another opportunity tomorrow. Tomorrow should be a very clear day, because why should tomorrow be a very clear day tomorrow? I'm not gonna expect to take a trade tomorrow, but if it's gonna be a setup, it's gonna be a setup, right? I'm gonna expect to lose, first of all, and second, why do I say tomorrow's gonna be a good day? Is because tomorrow is Wednesday, and Wednesdays usually are the highest probably time to trade out of the week, right? But today, I'm done for the day because my drawn liquidity got met, which is the 4 hours, which is the hourly CRT low. So I'm looking for a new continuation. Our drawn liquid would be here. Obviously, low got souped, so our drawn got met without an entry. It is what it is. We did have, keep in mind, chat, we did have an entry during a specific time, but during that entry, there's two reasons I couldn't take it. First of all, OTE. The market must have the 0.50% mark, the 0.86 mark of the OTE. Second of all, is the market gave us a wrong marble one, which gave the body, so we couldn't take it. But yeah, this is it. Now this is, we're risk off here, right? Now if the market, decides to, do whatever it wants here. Now if the market decides to go up higher, we wouldn't lose no money. If it doesn't go lower, we wouldn't lose no money, right? We're still gonna be silent until tomorrow. If it does go down lower, guess what? Now that's better, because now we're highly to get a retrace, because market expands down. It needs to do a retrace before going back out lower, right? So the retracement phase is gonna be our entry, right? So yeah, this is my, what I'm saying. See you guys later. 4 hour bull CRT. It could definitely be a bull CRT. He could definitely go up higher. But my boy Moist, please do not pattern trade. Do not pattern trade anything. Use logic. Use narrative. Do not pattern trade, right? Daily for Viga with ski level. Hey, go ahead, man. You can do whatever you want. Just don't pattern trade. My boy said, which swing high, swing low you pick for OTE? OTE works differently, right? For OTE, all you're looking for is this, right? Right now, there's not a legit low here. Right? There's not like a low that's stable low, right? So you're looking for a high, low, higher high, lower low, right? So looking for a stable, we already have a stable high because high, low, high, right? We already have a stable high, right? But the stable low is constantly low getting created, right? So there's not a stable low here, right? But how do you know this is an OT here? Simply because of the 4-hour time frame. The previous session right over here was used as a CRT. You can see the London session had a CRT. So whenever there's a CRT for a New York reversal profile, there won't be an OTE because you're entering before the OTE. For a near continuation, there will be an OTE because you're entering after the CRT already happened, right? Because usually when you enter the trade, you're entering a CRT. So if you're entering during a CRT of a New York reversal, you're entering before the OT gets created, right? But in near continuation, you're gonna have the OT be there already for you, right? Then looking for retracement, right? And yeah, just like that. And how do you know this is an OTE? How do you know this is a perfect OTE? Is by simply using that day. Is by using that day for 15, this is specifically to the 15-minute OTE, right? Is by using that day as well as using the previous session. So since I'm trading New York continuation here, I'm looking since I'm trading New York, right? I'm gonna look at the London session to see if there was a CRT that got souped. If there was no CRT that got souped, it's highly likely to be no OTE. Market is probably gonna trace a little bit and go up higher or lower. But if the market did go soup a the Asian lower high and soups out a CRT, there will highly likely be another a retracement before another expansion. There'll highly likely be a OTE before another expansion, right? May get entry again for you, but for me, I will probably won't get an entry until tomorrow. I'm not gonna force trades here, chat. I'm gonna be on a side down. So you guys know, man. Knowing when not to trade is way more important than knowing when to trade, right? That's way more important, right? And let me show you guys what I mean by the OTE here, right? On this day, there was this Thursday. On Thursday, there was no OTE because you can see Thursday market. The reason there was no OTE here was because of two reasons here, right? First, market never projected no CRT low in the 11 session, right? So there was no OTE here. So all you're looking for is a little pullback, the expansion. You can see the pullback happened, SMT, and it went up higher. There's SMT with DXY there, right? So that example, another example could be, what's the next example? OTE right over here. Like time is fractal, right? So in the lower time frame, this is OTE, right? Hourly, this market right over here project the daily 50 low, so looking for an hourly OTE here. So we had an hourly OTE. That was that. You can see market retracing went up higher. Now let's go to the 15-minute time. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, another OTE here. How do I know that there's an OTE here automatically? There's an OTE here, right over here, right? How do I know that there's an OTE here? Right. How was this a OTE before I push back down and went up high? This day your boss would have been wrong, but how does the OTE here? Right? How do you know why the market pull back? Because look at this, like chat, because you guys know this, right? This is why OTE matters so much. If there's an OTE, I took a short right around here, right? If I took a short right around here, I was waiting for the market to go lower, so I took a short. But guess what? Market made me second guess my bias, and market eventually went down lower, right? So all he did was a dual OTE before pushing down, right? And how is this a Pacific OTE? Was because the London session, right, pushed out a CRT here, right? The London session right over here pushed out the CRT, so I made an OTE there, right? So you guys know everything I say is backed by proof, right? I don't make bullshit rule. My rule says I can, if there's a OTE, I can only enter between 0.50% to 0.86%, or otherwise I do not execute a trade, right? And keep in mind, if you go to lower time frame, the 5-minute, I actually go to the hourly time frame to show you guys the actual trade that I took here, right? Set up right over there. Right over here, I shorted this 5-minute Monroe 1. Right, 5-minute Monroe 1, I shorted it, which shouldn't be even there. I was supposed to be shorting it around the 50% mark, which is around over here. I shorted right over here. Guess what that market did? Stopped me out. Oh, I found out, okay, why did I lose here? Simply because this is right over here, our hourly CRT, right? Guess what? You know why that market stopped us out here? No, saying this range right over here still got respected. This range got respected because before the 8 a.m. candle closed, it gave us the Monroe 1. So it did a total body soup, right? So I shorted around here without knowing that there was an OTE. So market tapped the OTE here, the 0.50% market eventually went down lower from there, right? You see, back by proof, Monroe 1 happened, and market stopped us out, and we're now eventually then went down lower, right? Why did it went down lower? Because of the OTE here, right? So why this is important? Once again, because traders are thinking that this pullback is enough for the market to go lower, right? So they're waiting for the market to go lower. They can't take they're constantly waiting, so they short it, right? Once they short it, they get stopped out and they second guess their boss. Okay, so why did they wonder? Okay, why? Eventually, even me, I just said, okay, why did I get stopped out here? I second guessed myself, right? I was like supposed to go high from here, right? No, went down lower. Why? Because OTE here, right? So all OTE is a deep retracement to scare off traders on the right side of the market. So it's a deep retracement to scare off traders on the right side of the market, which is down lower, right? So scares you off. You think this retracement is enough, so you think you short it down, but without the 0.50% mark to the 0.86 mark getting tapped, you short it too early. So all you're doing is shorting too early without, you're shorting too early. That's all I'm trying to say. You're just shorting too early, right? You're longing too early or shorting too early, right? In this case, over here, you're shorting too early. Over here, you're shorting the right time, right? Because the OT got met. Over here, you're shorting too early, right? So you want to wait for the right time to short, which is the OT, right? So around here, you're shorting too early, but right when it hits the 0.50% mark, you're not shorting too early. You're shorting the right time. So because you got that deep retracement, right? So quick little educational as well to some of you guys who are, want to learn this shit. But yeah, G was pushing down here while it was stagnating. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I'm done for the day. I come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be another day. I want to see how tomorrow goes. But yeah, see you guys later. Peace out. Peace out, my G's. Peace out, my boy Benny. Peace out, my boy boys Muhammad Anas, Moise Yogi, Redar, Nessie, and Doruk Muhammad. Terrorist. I'm just playing with you guys.